Kill this bastard. You have the guts to steal my man? Are you stupid, Ugonaya? Come close if you have the power. Come close. I should come close. Yes, you see, you will not go close to Afanaya. And I will marry Afanaya. You will never do anything about it. Your people will not kill you. Your people will not kill you. My daughters have started again. Mama, leave your sister alone. Leave your sister alone. Mama, I know you. Close your mouth. Mama, you shut up. Ewa, because of your mama. Because of your mama. Because of your mama. Mama, wait. Mama, wait. Let me leave this. Mama, leave me alone. Mama, leave me alone. She's no longer sister. Mama, I will kill this idiot. And I cause she's never my blood. You are not my blood. Help! It's nice enough. Hi. Mama, you see what you have caused? Jay, you see what you have caused, Adanaya? Somebody help!
What happened? Where are you running to?
Izugona and Adana, they have started again. No.
What happened to them?
They have started now, they are fighting. I don't know why they're fighting. No.
Wait, are they fighting over a man again?
Amara, they are not fighting over a man again. They are fighting with weapons this time around. And I'm going to their house. I'm going to get a president.
I'm following you, please. Let's go.
Security! Security! Open the gate.
I met him. You will not marry my sister, Afana. You will not try it. I will sing this air than for you to marry her. Do you understand me? Look at what she did to my arm. Just take a good look at my arm. You will not marry her.
So you have the guts to bash into my house to spill rubbish? Really? You know they say put your money where your mouth is. I know you're a big girl. You've got money, right? Let's place a bet. 10 million each. 20 million for who wins. And see if I do not marry her.
6 years, Afana.
So fucking what?
I gave you 6 good years of my life.
So freaking what?
And you turn around to tell me you want to marry my sister? That will be over my dead body. Except you're willing to marry her as a corpse, I will not let you marry her. I turned down every single man out there for you. You didn't see any other girl. You didn't pick any other girl. Out of all the trolls of girls out there in the world, you picked my sister, my own younger sister, Fana. I will not let it happen. I will not let that happen. You will not marry my sister.
We're done having this conversation.
Oh, you think because you have made money, you can just throw me aside, right? After I waited for you, I prayed for you, I stuck with you when you were nothing. You had nothing. You were 0 flats. You were less of a man. Yes, I was with you. And now you turn around, you want to marry my sister? It will not work. It will never happen.
You sound like you're drunk. Now get out of my house and never come back here.
You mean
Next
our house?
time I set my eyes on you, you won't like what I'll do to you.
This is my house too.
Yo, get out of this place right now.
Afana, you will not leave.
I said get out.
Don't fuck like Afana, you will not leave this house.
Madam, when they go?
You stupid. Are you mad? Afana, where do you think you're going to? Afana, do not dare drive out on me.
Fight is on. I'll go one day.
Afana!
Somebody please say
Afana!
Let's fight.
Madam, go. I hear you. Let me go. Come here. Madam, come on.
Fight is bloody.
I don't take this because of the hand. I don't even know.
There is fire on the mountain. Two elephants are fighting. The love is here, everyone there. What is here? The soul and the baby soul. Now my man be this.
Abana, you come and meet me. Abana, you come and meet me here.
I can't let
Are you mad? Come on, leave me here. You come back and meet me here.
No.
Mama, what is it?
Good night.
Mama.
Hello, how are you doing? Now, how are you? My love, how are you doing?
I'm good. Mama, what is it?
Mama, how are you?
I'm fine.
Mama, it's okay. Let me get the nurse. Mama, are you okay?
Sorry.
You'll be fine, Mama.
Thank you, my daughter.
Your mother will be fine.
Thank you.
Afana,
Yes, Mama.
please, I beg you in God's name, try and consider what I told you.
Consider what, Mama? Can you just stop this? Don't even go there. Consider what?
Gonaya, your sister will kill you. Your sister will kill you.
Mama, I'd rather die than to see her go close to Afana. It will not happen. Mama, you're doing as if you don't know the background story of all these things. Don't even start. Me leave Afana for what? For Adana.
I'll die, yo. I'll die, yo.
Mama, you will not die. Alright? You ain't gonna die. Relax. If it's about both of us, we love each other so much. We're not backing down.
Hi, Chimo.
Mama, can you stop this? Your BP.
Don't worry. I'll go out there. I'll make lots of money. I'll make money. I'll be a big guy. I'll come back and marry you.
Which one is you go out there? This is the third time you're getting deported. Please, my love, can you just stop?
Babe, are you
No, I am not. My love, that's not what I'm saying. See, baby, please just understand me. I've been talking to you calmly. Please, the idleness in this village is killing me. I want to start a provision store. That way I can save money. You know, I can save money and do a lot of things. Baby, there's so much money in provision store. If we start up the business, we can make a lot of money and we'll use that from our savings. We used to travel together. Or don't you want to travel with me? And let's just work together, do some investments. You see, to pan out, please. Please, now don't talk about traveling out. Please, this is the third time, please.
Babe, I really want to travel. I want to travel.
You want to travel?
Yes.
You want to travel? Oh, yeah, travel now. When you come back, you come and meet my dead body now.
What?
Yes, now. Since you don't want to hear me, if just travel, I'm not stopping you. Travel. When you come back, just know you not meet me alive. Pick one. Mama, this is the third time and he might still be deported.
Why you don't want him to travel outside the country? Sister, I don't understand you. What are you wishing him bad luck?
Did I invite you into this conversation? Did I invite you into this conversation?
I'm sorry. I should mind my business.
Better face your studies, eh? Prepare for your exams.
You are even sounding as if you know he will be deported. You don't want him to try.
Mama, see, just convince him. Convince him to give me money to start up something in this village. Yes. See, if he travels to Obodo Ibo now and he now meets one white woman there and gets married to her, what will now happen to me that time?
Sister, 4 years of relationship.
I go wound you.
And you're acting this way, sister.
I go wound you. Who invited you into adult conversation? What is wrong with you?
My friend.
Let me mind my business.
My friend, go and prepare for your exam, also.
Mama, I'm preparing.
If you prepare on time, this is a crime. And now,
Mama, are you supporting her?
Leave
This
here.
is so wrong.
Leave here. Adults will not be talking and come and put your mouth inside. Leave here and prepare for your
Leave.
exam. Mama, please now. See, help me to just convince him. Convince him to see, forget all these things he's doing for me. Now, what if something happens and his money finishes? What will now happen that time? Will he continue to give me money, 1 naira to 2 naira every day? Eh? Yes, I agree. He's trying for me. But I need him to give me money. Let me start up. Don't forget, we all benefit from this same business if I start it. At least, Mama, please, he listens to you. Just talk to him, please.
Don't worry, I will.
You will talk to him for me?
Of course, I will.
Thank you, Mama.
I will.
Thank you, Mama.
Don't tell me this kind of thing. Don't tell me this kind of thing. Eh? I must go to the US. Oh. What do you mean? I believe in myself. I'm going to make it. When I get there, I'm going to make so much money. I'm going to make so much money in that place, that they'll think I stole from the president. What are you saying?
Hi. So you are this selfish. You are this selfish. All you think about is yourself and nothing else.
What do you mean I'm selfish? I'm just telling you I must be in America. I'm going to be in America. How can I just give you money that I've been saving for how long? So you guys use that open one business. I don't know if it will fail or not. No, I listen to your mother. She should understand that as an orphan, the only option I have is to make it in life. No darling for me, oh. Very strong man.
I see. The only thing now is, I regret the day I accepted to be your girlfriend. Yes.
What does that one have to do with this now? Why are you sounding like this? I thought you should be happy for me as a confident man.
I am very happy for you. At this point, you and I, we are done.
Adanna.
Here. Why is this idiot calling me now? You will not stay in your house and leave somebody know. Stop calling me.
Sister, is it not Brother Fanaya that is calling you like this?
Is he the president of Nigeria?
Why are you snubbing him, sister?
You said stop calling. Go now, take your time. What kind of nonsense is this one now? Since when are we mates? Now you now tell me who to pick their calls and who not to pick their calls. What's the meaning of that now?
Sister, if he's your brother, that someone else is treating
Thunder will
like
fire
this,
you there.
Will you like it?
Thunder will fire you there. You self idiot, stop calling me, stop calling me. Mama!
Sister.
Mama, oh! Mama! Because if I start now, you people say I've started. I'll use my slippers and slap Ugonaya here.
What is it again?
What is her business?
What is it again?
Why is this fool calling me? What's her business if I'm not picking somebody's call now?
Ugonna, what is it?
Mama, Brother Fanaya is calling.
What is your business? Can't you mind your business?
Mama, this thing that is happening in this house is see finish. Yes, it is see finish. What is this nonsense now? That you're gonna be questioning me. What sort of rubbish is this? Mama, talk to your daughter. I will not want her again, no. This one said she'll leave me alone. Rubbish.
Ugonna, shut up your mouth. What is your business there? Why
Why are you doing like this? You're not a good mother. Why are you doing like? Are you supporting her?
Shut up!
Hey, how are you?
I'm fine. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you doing?
I'm good. Are you?
I'm fine. Please, where's your sister?
What do you want?
Adana, you see, I realized I can't live without you. These past days you've not spoken to me has been hell for me. I've not been able to sleep well. You blocked me everywhere. You don't take my calls. You blocked me on WhatsApp. You blocked me virtually everywhere. Please, I'm sorry.
Are you not supposed to be in the States by now? What are you doing here?
I decided not to go again. I'm not going again.
And that does not affect the price of Pomo in the market.
I actually brought the money here so that you can start your business with it.
You brought the money? Oh, thank you. You know I love you so much. My man.
I don't need to talk too much. You know I love you already.
Yes,
huh?
I do. What are you doing standing there? Amebo. Won't you go and put something on fire? Men are bringing money. You are there standing and looking. Idiot.
Man, I like the sound
Man,
of that.
now.
Let's go to the house now, man.
Why are you still crying? Why are you still doing this to yourself?
Just let me cry.
No.
I deserve to cry.
Please, stop, just stop. This is not the end of the world for you. It is not. Okay?
It is the end of the world for me. The world has ended for me.
No.
How can my own blood sister, my own younger sister, be planning our traditional marriage to a man I dated for close to 6 years? How? That's not fair. Father, I am going mad.
Dana,
I am running mad.
You are not, okay? You are not. This is so unfair. Two blood sister fighting over a man. Ugoma don't even want to listen. I don't understand this thing. This is too much. Everybody just fighting. It's okay, please. You don't need to cry over a man because you are very beautiful. Are you even looking at yourself? Please stop, okay, baby? Don't cry again. Don't cry. Yeah, don't cry. Yeah, sorry.
You both never told us you can be this crazy and stupid. Why are you fighting over a man? A man? This is madness. Leave your sister to marry whoever that is coming for her hand in marriage.
That will never happen. It will be over my dead body for this bastard to marry Afana. Uncle, and let me make this clear right now. You see that marriage list? Do not, I repeat, give any marriage list to that useless Afana. Don't even do it.
Why? For what? You don't have the right to say that.
Uncle, I have the right.
Don't say that again.
I am the adult of this family, and I stand to say whatever I want to say, and it stands. This is my father's house. You see this marriage? It will not hold. He will not get married to this bastard.
Daddy, what did you do for him? What did you do for him? Oh, because he traveled out and came back with money. You want him for yourself. It will not happen.
You're stupid.
Adam,
you are mad.
It will never happen.
You are very stupid and
You're
mad.
the one that is stupid. Who are you? Onyekebo.
Me stupid.
I say you are very stupid.
Me stupid.
Stop.
No,
Stop.
leave her. Leave her, let her talk.
Stop, my friend.
Now that she's beginning to carry something that is bigger than her, and that thing is pounding her, why would she not talk to me anyhow? Hey. No, I don't blame you.
Yes, he's a good panda. We even did it before going to see Mama at the hospital. Eh? So you want me to leave rich man for you, Makagenizi?
Uncle, both of you're here. And this idiot said I was stupid.
Hey, stop! Stop!
Why are you holding me now? Why are you holding me? Why are you holding me? Why are you holding me? Uncle, stop holding me.
Get down. Now.
See me, you're talking to me.
I said get the fuck down!
I will not come down. Do you know you are very ungrateful? Afana. You're a bastard, a very wicked man. After everything I did for you, I suffered with you. I was praying day and night, doing fasting and prayer and everything. For you to become what you are now, you want me to get down from where? This is our car, I'm not going anywhere. What is that one?
Listen to me, man. I made my choice. Alright? I don't give a heck about you. So get the fuck down!
I will not try it! I will not try it! You have the mind to come back to and ask my son to marry you. Come and drag me down now. I will not come down from this vehicle. What is that? This is our car. Our car. I toiled for it. I suffered for it. I am not coming down.
Listen to me. I don't freaking care if you hate me right now. But you coming down now! Get the fuck down!
How many days did you stay there that you are speaking American? I will not come down.
Alright.
I find I will not come down.
I swear to God I'll move you.
Move.
Alright? Get the fuck down.
Move.
Get out.
I find I will not come down. Chimo!
Get out.
Chimo!
Get down.
So because you want to go and carry that prostitute from the police station.
Get the fuck out.
That's why you're attacking me like
Get the
this.
fuck out.
After everything I did for you, you're a wicked man. His God will punish you. Thunder will fire your full generation.
Say that again. I don't care, man. Say that again. Where the hell did you go?
Our car.
Where?
Our car.
You're not going anywhere.
I suffered for this car.
You ain't going nowhere.
I suffered for you.
You ain't going nowhere.
What are you speaking English for?
We're done.
Why are you speaking English? We're not done anything. I'm gonna open this door. I'm gonna open this door. Hey!
Open the door. Open the fucking door.
Help! Where is he? Where is he? Useless man. Thunder will fall out. Fire food destiny. Wicked man. Hey!
Fight is on. I'll go on there. Somebody please say president. And let's fight. One and a one. This fight is bloody.
Pastor Group, you must not give that young man the marriage list. Yes.
What are you saying? That rich man? He don't want us to have some money?
Can't you see that they are fighting?
That is none of my business. He demanded for the list and I will give it to him. Please.
Huh? I will not allow that. You must make sure we settle them and make peace. Do you want them to die? Don't give out the list. You said you saw Adana on the bike.
Yes, I saw her. But I don't know where she was going to.
I thought they arrested them for spoiling someone's shop.
She's a rich woman. She has money to bail herself.
Wow. I'm confused though.
Hey. If you want war, I go give you war. If you want fight, I go give you fight. Radio. This is two fighters. Two sisters.
Eh? You want to kill my mother? It will never happen. Mama, come down.
Dragging one another because of man.
I'll be at work. Falling. And these foolish girls want to kill my mother for me. We're going there. Baba, how much is the money? You be thief? Which one be 3K?
I didn't charge you, cinema.
From Silas Hospital to this place. Abba, take 2,000 naira, Jari.
I'll leave at 2,000, cinema. I do well.
Which one be 3K? Will not talk price. Eh? Which one be 3K?
Will not talk price.
Baba, hold this 2,000, Jari. Hold this 2,000 from Silas Hospital to this place. Papa, hold this thing. Mama, let's leave here.
It's hitting my chest.
I told you to come and stay with your son in Aba. You refuse. Eh? Now, I'll be at work, toiling, killing myself. Mama, what is small? Come and stay with your son. Eh? Can you imagine? These girls want to kill my own mother for me. It will never happen. There's no problem. Just come, let's go inside.
Fight is on. I'll go on there. Somebody please say president and let's fight.
Right through me, let me see. You are not taking this idiot into this compound. Una never see Grace, una don't know me. I will tear this bastard down. Me, I will tear her down. Drive through me. You are trying me. You are trying me. You are trying me. You came over me. You hurt and you betrayed me. And you expect me to be quiet. No, I will never be quiet. You see this fool? I will deal with her. Come and drag me out. 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 Leave me alone. Come and drag me out. If you demons, come and drag me out. You're mad. Me? Yes, you're mad. Call the police.
Is that what you want?
Call the police. You're mad. Call the police. Call them. Yes. Come and drag me out. Ooh! Don't touch me. Never see Grace. No,
okay, you go beat.
You dey Grace. Touch me, I see. Don't touch me. Don't try that thing here. I dey Grace. Don't touch me. Wait, who is this one? Don't try that nonsense. Who is this one? Don't try that nonsense. Who is this one? Don't try that nonsense.
Babe, just keep quiet. Just keep quiet.
Dad, stop this. Stop telling me I should keep quiet. What did you just say? What did you just call her?
Get the hell out of my house.
I will not.
Right now.
What do you do?
Don't make me call the cops on you.
Please do. Please.
They won't call cops.
Call them. Call them. Do.
You're trying me.
Stay back.
You're trying me. You're trying me. You're trying me. I should stay back. You're trying me. You're trying me. Oh, you're trying me. Why are you holding her? Leave me! What's wrong? Leave me! Oh, you're dragging my hair! Leave me alone!
Okay, I better hold that one!
Leave me! I'll slap you!
You know they fight for here!
Leave me! You're trying me! You don't want something to walk you! Crazy, they mad! You don't crazy! Leave me!
Stop! Stop now! Madam, what is it? Madam, don't beat me! Don't beat me! Don't beat me! Madam, don't beat me!
Leave me! Leave me!
Madam! Mama, eat your food. Eat your food, please. Eh?
Why do you like shouting? Can't you see I'm still recovering?
Okay, sorry. Please, eat your food, okay? Eat your food and take your drugs, okay?
Where are your sisters?
Mama, concentrate and eat your food, okay? Forget them for now.
Are they still alive?
Oh, Mama. Can you just please eat your food and take your drugs? Eh? I have pregnant women to take care of.
When are you going to pay her dowry?
That one is not necessary for now. Not now. Just eat your food, okay? I'll be leaving first thing tomorrow morning. Sure, you know that. You couldn't know. Adana! So you suddenly go blind and dumb. You didn't recognize me here. Didn't you see Mama? Huh?
When did you come back?
So after I begged you on phone, prayed and fasted, you still disobeyed me. You want to kill yourself over a man that doesn't want you, right? My friend, come in front of here and stop standing behind me.
Please, I'm having a headache. I want to go and rest.
Okay. You want to kill yourself over a man that doesn't want you? Look at this girl. Look at this girl.
If what? She has killed her sister. Where is her corpse? Where is her corpse?
Mama, let her be. I know what to do. Don't worry.
Hey, am I the only one that get back to two female?
It's because of you. If not, I know how to handle her.
These children want to kill me in this house.
In fact, Adana!
I want to ask you, are you enjoying this whole scenario? How do you feel? Sisters fighting each other.
I think it's high time you put an end to all this basketballs, all this drama. It's becoming too dramatic.
Do I look mad to you? Do I look crazy? Or do you think I'm going to say it?
I don't talk like that too.
I don't think I'm mad.
You see what I know I like about you? Yes, not to say you dey intelligent, but you stubborn. Even for school, you stubborn rich. Even though you dey help me, but you too stubborn. I make I no like you. Now, me and you now, no say you know they mad. Me and you know say you know they insane. But at this point, my man, you don't dey insane. How you gonna let sisters they fight each other like that? That's good. Even their mama they go hospital like say na market she don't go. Eh? Leave these people now. Leave these sisters. Look for another person. You don't agree. What is it? Until person buy.
Why you sounded like you were not in the village? You were there. You were present. You know the story. You know how it went. She's only mad because I'm coming for her sister. The bad news is I'm not even stopping. I must marry that girl.
That's how they look you. No, that's how they look you. I said you gotta marry her. I said you gotta go this. No, you don't do for me now. I mean. Now you know say you know me well. You know say I study criminology for school. Now they do like this. Just how they look, you man know what thing they do. Where you carry your body? Okay. I talk am. Now those girls, their ways they deceive you. I make you no one leave them. They run around inside their house like rats. Now I know. But make I tell you one thing you should understand. My man, leave this family. Leave them alone. Me, I know say you handsome. You intelligent too. You get why they get stream. You get why they get river. You get why they can't get ocean. Inside that ocean, there are so many fishes. Me, I know say as you intelligent reach, as you handsome reach, if you calm down, set your target well. Once you shoot, you go get one better fish wey pass this ones wey they chase up and down. Leave these girls now. Leave this family. See their mama now. All the time mama they cry, they dey hospital. Even their brother don't they run mad. Everybody, what will happen? Leave this family now. Leave them alone.
I have no intentions of leaving that girl. The funny thing is, I've not even had any sexual contact with her. I intend to keep it so until after marriage. So you know, I must marry her. Take that to the bank, bro.
The person will get back account they go bank. Me, you aren't gonna marry that girl. You aren't gonna. Now for that, now you go marry the person. No, now when they don't buy the car, the body can't give you. Now then you go marry her. Nothing is going to stop you. See how I look you, fine boy now. You know the guy. Nothing is going to stop you.
Forget this thing. Just have your drink, man. This is a nice wine. I swear to God.
How can you ask me to come back home? You know how she'd behave if she sees me. See, I am not coming back home. And I'm sick. Afana is taking care of me.
Hold on. You're not coming back. You mean you are not coming back? Ugonaya? So you are now bold enough to be sleeping outside the compound? Eh?
Oga, I am not coming back home. Do you hear me? See, I am not the Ugonaya you used to know. Eh? Ugonaya you used to flog. I am not that child again.
My dear, shut that thing you come out. I can see you've grown wings. You're not a big girl. Okay?
See, I've spoken to Mama. And that is fine now. Don't disturb my peace.
There's no problem.
What nonsense is this?
Hello? Ugonaya? Ugonaya? Hello?
Want me to come back home? Come and do what?
Oh, You switched the phone off on me, Abi? You switched your phone off. No problem. We will see the end of it. Eh? I got Fuiris here. No, hello. There's no problem. Look at this girl, oh.
Brother Chima, do you know that Mama is now supporting Ugunaya? Yes, she's on her side.
How do you mean?
Brother Chima, I'm tired. I just want to leave this house. I want to go far away from this village. I don't want anything against you. I don't want anything to do with this village. How will I be and Afana will marry Ugunaya? It will be over my dead body that Gona will marry Afana. It will not happen. Brother, do you know that ever since Afana engaged Ugunaya, she doesn't even sleep in this house anymore. She now stays at his place. Yes.
Are you serious? So Ugunaya has grown wings to the extent that she now sleeps outside?
Yes, oh, yes.
It doesn't come to that for you to say you want to go far from the family just because your sister is fighting you over a man. But come to think of it. But if I may ask, tell yourself the truth. You really treated this guy badly.
Brother Chima, I know I did. I'm not disputing the fact. I know I did, but you don't have to blame me now. I was naive. I was seeing money. I didn't know how to control it. I was young. And somehow I let the money control me and I started acting foolishly. But guess what? I went to beg him. Yes. I knelt down. Did I even say kneel down? I laid down on the floor, rubbed myself on the floor and I was begging him to forgive me.
You have to do that because you deserved it. You misused what you had. Huh?
Please forgive me. I'm truly sorry. Please forgive me. I am truly sorry, please. I do not know what came over me. I'm sorry. Please. I know I disrespected you and I disrespected our Lord.
Get up. Get up. It's alright, it's fine.
You forgive me for real?
Of course, I forgive you a long time ago.
Really?
Yeah, so we're good.
Are you sure you're forgiving me?
Of course, I've forgiven you. I mean, if not for you, I won't be where I am today. So I'm also grateful to you because you showed me the other side of life. Yeah?
Thank you so much.
It's alright.
Thank you, I love you. Thank you.
You're still as beautiful as ever, you know?
Well, for you.
Yeah.
I love you.
I can't be doing that right now because I got myself involved in some prayer group. Online prayer group. You know?
It's okay, I understand.
Yeah, I'm sure you understand because what God cannot do does not exist.
Yes.
You already know. That's what's up.
Thank you.
So, you want to drink tea or?
Ugo! This your ring is fine, oh. See how shiny it is. Wait. So you got engaged without telling me? Madam? Is it that your boyfriend will be talking to over the phone? So when did he engage you and you not bother to tell me? Tell me.
Yesterday evening.
Since yesterday? Since yesterday you got engaged, you didn't even bother to tell me.
Sister, you were not around.
Anyway, tell me. Is he cute?
Very cute.
But this your ring is fine, Sha. Hey, yes, he looks rich. Very rich and fine. Is the guy rich? Small. Are you sure it's small? He better be rich. Don't bring any poor man to this house.
No, he's rich.
Hey, Ugo! Well, you should have told me at least now. Tell me, when is he coming to see us officially?
I don't know for now, sister.
Why now? But he's around now, right? Let me see his picture.
Sister, my phone is down.
What do you mean your phone is down?
My phone is off.
There's lights now, yeah. Let me help you charge it.
Stop. When I say tomorrow, I will show you. Stop. Tomorrow I will charge it and I will show you my husband to pay.
Anyway, tell me, what did he bring for you when he was coming?
A lot of things.
What about for me? Did he bring Rivon for me? Rivon now. At least human hair. If he's married, you should be ready to buy human hair for me, oh.
Sister.
Eh?
Human hair.
Look at Naya. I did not drop out of school for you to go and marry a rubbish man, oh.
Sister, he's rich.
Hey! Very rich, oh. Oh, God, very rich. Ugo, you have arrived, though. Look at your hand. Your hand is shiny. I'm happy for you. Aww. I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
Lest I forget, Afan, Naya and I have reconciled. We made up.
He reconciled with you?
We settled though. And he even told me that I was still looking beautiful. When he said it, I was very happy and excited. I told you now, he cannot do without me. I was so happy when he told me that I was still looking beautiful. I was really happy and excited. But enough about me. Let's talk about you. This your ring is fine, Sha. It's so cute. Oh, I'm so excited for you. Congratulations, my dear sister. Diamond. Wait, uncle. What did you just say?
I said, Afan Naya came to my house demanding for a marriage list. And I asked him if he's getting married to you. He said no, he did not agree to marry you any day. And he's getting married to your younger sister, Ugo Naya.
No, that's not possible. How can he say something like that? Is he stupid?
He meant it, you. I was surprised how he sweet to your younger sister, Ugo Naya. Even when I asked Ugo Naya, she said they are getting married soon.
No, that's not possible. The engagement ring, it was... No, not my younger sister, not Ugo Naya. It will not happen.
I'm surprised, oh.
Ugo Naya.
Adana, stop. Mama, stop it. Mama, stop it.
Mama, leave me alone. Stop. 4 months, Mama. 4 freaking months. This animal here, this idiot, this disgusting animal was sending her nudes to Afana. My Afana!
Adana, you are mad. Mama, I did not send any nude pictures to anybody. See, we are getting married and you will not do anything about it.
Stop it.
Adana,
Mama,
what's your sister?
Mama,
Adana, don't want to leave me alone. Leave me. Hey! Please, Adana, leave me alone.
Mama, leave me alone.
Adana, you want your sister? Mama, no. Adana, Mama. Yes, come on, Adana. You want to hold your sister?
Stop that shit! Stop! Right now!
How dare you?
Please,
how dare you?
Hold her. She's hot-tempered like her late father.
Mama, leave me alone. Hold her. You think you can come back from the States and engage this idiot here? It will not happen. They're even talking about getting a dowry. That'll be over my dead body.
You better calm
Adana, you
down.
lie.
Right?
See, we are getting married and you will not do anything about it. You are not bad. Stop! Mama, leave me, please. Mama, leave me. What's wrong with you? Leave me.
Can you stop that?
What's wrong with you?
Can you stop right now?
Do not tell me to stop.
What's wrong with you?
Calm the fuck down!
Afana, leave me alone. Afana, leave me alone. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. You see this useless union the both of you are planning?
Alright. Tell me about it.
It will not work.
It will happen. And you will not do anything about it. See my ring. They show it, they walk. Okay. Mama, leave me. Leave me. Stop it. Leave me. Go hold your daughter. Go hold her. I said shut up. It's okay. Everybody is mad. Which kind of nonsense is this? Every time trouble. Do you want to kill me?
Ever since then, I've not been myself. I've not been able to sleep. Like, everything is just getting to me. Brother Chima, please. You know you are my elder brother and I respect you a lot. There's one favor I want to ask of you. Please do not support them. Do not support their union. If you support them, I will die, you. Please.
You will die. You just want to kill yourself over a man. Huh? You threw away a gold given to you when it was still in the mud. Anyway, for now, I want you girls to stay far away from Mama. Her health is my priority. You can go out there and kill yourself for all I care.
Chima, are you not supporting them? Have you also joined the bandwagon?
You are now supporting both of them to get married. Talk to Afana.
Excuse me.
Rachima, are you not supporting them? I don't understand. Why is everyone against me in this family? What kind of a fake family is this one now? Why are people treating me like this? Why are people being wicked to me? What kind of fake family is this? After everything I did for everyone in this house, this is how everybody is paying me back, right? This is how you all want to pay me back. Okay, let's see now. You people think that I'm foolish, I'm stupid, right? We'll see who is stupid at the end. It will be over my dead body that Ugonna will marry Afana. It will not happen, no. Not on my watch. 6 years of relationship, I should just throw it away like that because of one stupid girl. Afana can marry any person he wants to get married to. You and I know the truth. It is wrong for Afana to marry my younger sister. He can go out there in the village and marry anybody he wants to marry. But not my younger sister. That is not to be over my dead body.
It's okay.
He was my boyfriend first. I will not let it happen.
I don't want to hear any more word from you.
Fight
it's okay.
Is on. I'll go on there. Somebody please separate them and let's fight. One and a one. This fight is bloody. Sisters are fight. This fight is bloody.
No. I will not let this happen. Not Afana. I'll rather die.
Endless fight. Now my man be this. Oh, we have gone far. I can't let him go now. Where pussy begin? If you want war, I go give you war. If you want fight, I go give you fight. Radio. This is two fighters, two sisters with heart of stone. Obifapo okute, dragging one another because of man, fighting themselves because of a man. Mame begging a gapwa, ikawe kuneo. Fight is on. I'll go on there. Somebody please separate them and let's fight. One and a one. This fight is bloody. Sisters are fight. This fight is bloody. Mama is crying. Two elephants are fighting. If you want them, what pussy? If you want them, no so you don't be no so. Endless fight. Mama is crying. Two elephants are fighting. If you want them, what pussy? If you want them, no so you don't be no so. Endless fight. Fight is on. I'll go on there. Somebody please separate them and let's fight. One and a one. This fight is bloody. Sisters are fight. This fight is bloody. Mama is crying. There is fire on the mountain. I'll go now. Two elephants are fighting.
No, it won't happen.
Let's fight. Now my man be this. Oh, we have gone far. I can't let him go now. Where pussy begin? If you want war, I go give you war. If you want fire, I go give you fire. Radio. This is two fighters, two sisters with heart of stone. Obifapo okute, dragging one another because of man, fighting themselves because of a man. Mama begging a gapwa, ika we kuneo. Fight is on, I'm going there. Somebody please say bless them, and let's fight. This fight is bloody. Sisters are fight. This fight is bloody. Mama is crying.
Have I ever slapped you before?
Ha! Let me shift too. Why would you slap me? That's not even possible, sir.
Have I ever slapped you before? Who's the man that dropped you?
Which man? Oh, Eric. Ha! Eric is just a friend though. See, he was only telling me to help him talk to Adaku now, my friend. Or do you want me to call Adaku so you talk to her and find out? What kind of insult is this one now? Ha! I beg you. Please.
Adana, the truth is you've changed though. I've been watching you closely. You have really changed. Any small thing I do annoys you. Anything I do, even if I'm trying to make you happy, you just flare up like that. Did you even remember yesterday was my birthday? You didn't remember now? The small things you used to do for me on my birthday, the boxers you used to buy for me, you don't buy them anymore. Singlet,
This is the problem. At least you remember that I used to buy small things. Why are you now bickering like an old woman now? At least, don't I used to do it before? Why do you not just wait for the surprise? I was planning that I would do it in a bigger way. Now you're just talking plenty. You see why it's not even good to do things for people? You will do 99. The only one you will not do now will become a problem.
Calm down. Why are you not raising your voice? I was just telling you something I observed, and you're shouting already.
But at least you agree that I've been doing before. I've been buying you things on your birthday. I know what I was planning that I was going to do. It's just because I'm broke this period. I was planning to do something really big for you, so that I will surprise you.
It's alright. Let's go home. And mind you, you're spending the night though.
Yeah. Me, I cannot though. You remember this morning I had to go and stock up my... You see how my body is paining me. Things are like, see, I don't feel well, please. Because if I come to your house now, you now want to come and touch somebody in the night. And this period, man, my body
I'm not touching you. I just want you to be around. Let's go home.
It will not work. Mbano. There is to give dog bone keep.
Do you even think before you talk? For God's sake, Adana, I opened that shop for you with my last card. With all I had, I put it in that shop just to make you happy. Adana, I do all these things to satisfy you. But yet, you don't care about me.
Hey!
You don't care. Why? What's going on?
You sacrificed everything. But at least you still have your life, right? Did you sacrifice your life? Everybody knows that it was just a mere 4 million naira. 4 million naira that used to open shop. It's not even up to 1 billion. Now we're not here. You know, if it's the 4 million naira that's the problem, say it. I have the money. I'll give it to you. Because you're talking as if I'm not the one that multiplied the shop and the shop is now big. What's that now?
Adana, is this how you now talk back at me? Oh, you are telling me now that if it's 4 million naira, you can pay me back. It's how you talk to me now.
Is this the reason you called me here? If this is the reason, I'm a very busy person. I have things to do. I need to go.
Adana, let me ask you a question. When was the last time we had sex? When was the last time you spent time with me or stayed overnight in this house with me? When was the last time you took care of me? I was sick. I almost died in this house. You never showed up. If not for your sister that was always coming around to make sure I eat my food and take my drugs, I would have been a dead man.
But at least you're not dead. Or is it another person that is standing in front of me? Are you dead? Did you die? Besides, how did my sister even come here? You think she miraculously just fell from heaven and she came here? I sent her to you because I was very busy. Yes, I had to go to Onitsha to stock my shop. Because I actually work hard for a living. I don't lazy around. You would have died, you would have done this, you would have done that. Please, oh, please. I'm speaking about sex. So you still have the strength to want to pound a woman. You have strength to... I thought you said you were sick. No, but you were not sick in that place. You are sick, you want to pound woman. Abi? Please, oh.
It's alright.
Please, I want to go. Is there any other thing?
I actually called you out here because I need money from you. I need $1 million naira.
What did you say? 1 million naira?
Yes.
What for?
I want to use the money to process my visa. You know I'm broke and jobs are not forthcoming.
Where will jobs be forthcoming? Where will they come from? You are sitting at home all day doing nothing, just lazing around, and you expect the job to just strike and come and meet you here? All your mates, they go out there to look for jobs. It's called job hunting for a reason. Go out there and look for... See, that's your dream of wanting to go abroad for greener. It will not work. Stop dreaming. Since when did you become Joseph? Stop dreaming, oh. Do you understand me? This place is the greener pasture. You can make it here. Plan to make it here. I don't have any 1 million naira.
Adana, just give me 1 million. I'll pay you back. No problem. I'll pay you back. I'll hustle and I'll pay you back. It's not a problem. 1 million is nothing. Give me the 1 million and I'll pay you back. Yeah, I'll pay you back.
I beg, I don't have.
Adana.
I said I don't have.
Ada. Don't be. This girl is still on call. She's still on call, but how long? She has been on call for the past 1 hour 30 minutes. I thought she said she was going to the market. Who's she now talking to now? For 1 hour? Who's she talking to?
You betrayed me. I'm very family. I am in sorrow. I am in pain. I'm wandering around. I am in sorrow. I am in pain. Like nobody. I am in sorrow. Wandering around. I am in pain.
Why will I done that busy my call? I don't understand. Why will I done that busy my call? Just why? Why was she busy my call?
I am in pain. I am in pain. I am in sorrow. I am in
So she decided to switch off her phone.
I am in pain.
So Adana finally decided to switch off her phone on me.
I am in sorrow. I am in trouble.
Oga, you know get eye. No, you don't get eye. Have you know the see? You know what they don't chop, you don't walk in with this. You don't know. Yeah, I know now. I guess sure say they don't walk you. You don't know. If person ask me, I know say you go school. My man, you be graduate. How you go there? They tell me say that thing why they talk no be true.
My brother, you cannot be too sure now.
You tell me say I cannot be too sure. That guy where I see, where you dey talk, where you think why I hear, even the time why I say when they pass, my man, now him dey chop your woman. Now him dey, that guy, I dey pipe am very well. What I tell you? I call you as my guy, that advise you. Say, may you no give that your babe, may you no give am that money. You know here, oh. You know here. For my back, carry money, go give am, open shop. After you don't open shop for am now. Now another person don't carry motor. Come carry and drop am for that shop. When you open oh, and you sit down there, they look. They drop am there oh. See that same man. We drop am. See the other day, when you see carry am. I can't tell you, it's a lie. You don't believe am.
No, she actually said that the guy.
Leave that thing now. Format be that thing. Me and you now see the be now. You? How they do like this? Now pure. Not me now. Look, I say not me. No say I dey street. Get things like this. Even as I marry self, I dey still I know what I see they see for street. Believe me now, they don't chop you, they don't walk you be that. Now former way they take the walk people be that. They don't do you that one now. You go believe them. They don't walk you well. They don't chop you. Okay, may I ask you one question? You get house, you get motor, you dey stay for one room. I don't believe say person will come drop and will get money past you. Will get motor where you don't get. Where they stay. If you say that guy from abroad come back, oh, you don't know. They don't come chop you. They carry your baby. They move up and down. You don't say, "I'm an format."
I don't understand though. Eh? Why are you passwording your phone now? As in, see my own phone. My phone has no password. You can enter my phone anytime you want. How can you have two passwords?
Why would you not have a password?
Phone?
It's not my phone. I tell what to do. It is my business. It is my phone. Besides, my sister was beginning to touch my phone anyhow, and that's the reason I passworded it.
Okay, why don't I have the password now? Why don't I have it? Why didn't you give me the password?
It's my phone. I bought it with my money.
And so? Open that phone, madam. Open the phone, Joe.
Come and open it now. Come and open it. It's not only open that phone, madam. Are you commanding me?
Adana, open this. Someone is calling you. Answer the call. Answer the call now. Answer that call.
Why?
I don't like this thing. Answer this call now. What's the problem?
Why are you suspecting me unnecessarily now?
Suspecting you how? I said answer the call. You're not answering.
See, Eric, you have to stop this nonsense you're doing. What's the meaning of this now?
I don't understand. Wait. Me, Eric.
What's this now? Why are you bringing Eric into this now? Why are you calling Eric's name? I am talking to you, Afana. What is this now? Eric. Afana. Afana, stop now.
Yes, I'm at home.
This is the money. 4 million naira.
Thank you.
I'll just tell her that I entered one chance, that I was robbed.
Thank you so much for all you do. Thank you.
No
Thank
problem.
you for this. Hey.
And I promise I'll be booking mass for you, so that you will not be deported again.
Thank you so much. Thank you, eh?
I know you're a good man. You deserve the best.
Thank you.
Hello, sister. Okay, I'm coming.
And she said she didn't have money. I'll shock this girl. I'll shock her. Hey! Once I make it, I'll make sure I shock this girl.
Onye chimeleze oga buleleze Abula kosi dido Wanne kosi donyaza Chai Anebu Onye lo pase kata chukwu abagalia Abula kosi dido Wanne kosi donyaza Kimaka, kimakwano nkaza Rompita pepolo, okwe finalo Mani lefuzia, na wandi bia walaza Manozo buru wandi bia Ikonya chimayere madibea Yabiko kage jibwa mayekwarea Ifonye metalo buru namia You can't eat your cake and have it again.
Hello, my love. When are you coming back now?
I'll be back as soon as possible. I wish you can understand what's going on now.
How is Mama?
Mama is fine. Mama is fine.
What happened to her?
My dear, you won't believe it. Her BP rised.
Haba. My love, please tell your sisters to be careful. I had a dream where your sisters killed each other over a man.
Oh, I pray nothing happens to them. But it's just a dream. It's just a dream. Nothing will happen to them.
When are you coming back now? When are you coming back? You know I cannot stay all by myself in this house. I'm scared. I need you here.
Scared of what? Put yourself together. You're a good Christian. Pray. Huh? You will not understand. Anyway, there's no problem. I'll let you know as soon as things are set. I'll let you know, okay? Don't worry.
So babe, when are you sending me the money now?
Alright. There's no problem. Send it right away. I'll send it to you, okay?
Okay, my love.
Alright. Take care of yourself.
Thank you. I love you.
Okay, dear. I love you too.
Oh, God. I beg you. My sister's in-law. Nothing happened to them. All of this kind of dream.
Let us say the truth and shame the devil. Adana was never faithful to Afanaya.
Yes. I don't say that about my friend.
What do you want me to say? We all saw everything for ourselves. Abi, are you not in this village? Didn't you see for yourself?
So you want Afanaya to marry your friend?
Yes, so that is what I want. Can't you hear the name? Afanaya, Ugonaya. You match made from heaven.
Oh, so Adana is not match made from heaven?
Well, I don't know. But look, tell your friend. She cannot eat her cake and have it. You hear me? Come on, go.
Go? You are very, very silly. Anyway, now you get your mouth. You can say anything you want.
Allow me, let me say it the way I like it. Let's be going.
You too like him, bro.
You know like him. You know like him.
Mr. Afanaya, for the sake of peace of my mother and for the sake of the peace in this family and this village, I don't want anything to happen to my family. So I beg you, with everything you believed in, go elsewhere and look for another girl to settle down with.
Bam!
Because I know they have enough of them.
Bam!
Even where you came from, enough is there.
Bam!
Yeah?
Bam! Now you are talking like a true brother.
You've done enough now.
Madam,
You lie.
I say you lie.
When fishes are talking great.
This marriage will work and you will not do anything about it.
Shark is talking, even crayfish too is talking. Hey!
My fiancé, the marriage.
Fion?
Okay. You bring 50,000 naira for a writing.
Wow!
Will you shut up? Where you gonna go that? Look, I won't look at as if he's here.
50,000 naira.
But what sort of embarrassment is that? Uncle? I'm the elder brother here. You should take my permission.
Says who?
Uncle?
Says who? Who are you?
He is my elder brother.
Can you imagine?
My father's first son, in case you have forgotten. Uncle, is this your house?
Hi!
Do you not have a house? Go to your house, go and man your house. Leave our family matters, so stay within our family. Leave us alone, no? You see, I think this your bad head is deceiving you. You see this your bad head? I will bring it forward. I will bring it forward.
It's okay. It's okay. Leave her, let her insult me. Leave her.
Because you're not doing the right thing.
Okay.
Huh?
Baby, forget the list. As for my elder brother, she needs money. The girlfriend is pregnant.
Now it's that baby. Is
Will
that
you
a boy?
shut that thing you come out?
Baby, you go Naya.
Stop chatting at me.
Go Naya.
I'm a married
woman. I
want to marry you. Stop.
You're not even ashamed of yourself. You are flaunting a ring that is. You just sold yourself cheap to a man who doesn't even care about you. Your own elder sister. You are a useless girl.
Stop this madness.
You are a useless girl. You are a useless girl. You are a useless girl. I will die here. Mama die. Mama die. What is it? What is it now? What is it?
What's the problem?
Why is she threatening people that she wants to die? Let her die now.
Stop this
Maybe
madness.
I'm not filled with people who are dead. Let her die, Mama. Mama, if you want to die, die.
Are you mad?
Don't try me.
Listen,
It's because of your pregnant girlfriend. Don't try me.
Stop doesn't mean
Don't
that.
try me.
I'm supporting you.
Don't try me. You are supporting the graveyard.
You are supporting
Okay, if you cost here, you see what you've cost here. Two sisters.
Chima, you see this meeting? Please, they should go to their houses.
Fine now.
Everyone should go to their houses.
Hey,
please, tell them to go to their houses.
anything.
Tell them to go go to their house.
I don't say anything. I don't need your opinion. I only called you here to address this matter. Period.
Hey!
Remove your hand and go to sleep.
I will go to your house. What are you doing? Go to your house.
I'm about to marry you.
Go
Stop
to
raising
your
that your
house.
hand. My husband to be is here. Stop raising that your hand.
Let me see how you will marry the married. Husband to be or husband to be.
They pay you that.
Husband
You
to
go
be
cry
or
blood.
husband to be.
Ugo,
I will tell you that I came out of this room before you. I will tell you I came out of this room before you. Ugo, don't try me. Everybody should go.
Hey,
go. My father's house. Go now. Go. Do you know what I suffered? I suffered so much. I even had to drop out of school so that idiot can complete her own education. What have I not done for her? Yes, she turned around to betray me and hurt me like this. Brother Chima, just take Mama. Quietly take Mama and take her to your place. Because you see this battle is an endless one. It will not stop today.
This is rubbish. This is arrant nonsense. You mean the both of you will kill yourself over a man?
I don't care.
Over Afana?
I don't care. I don't care.
Adana is okay.
Don't tell me it's okay. This family is ganging up against me. What is too much?
Adana, seriously, it's okay. Just calm down.
Don't tell me it's okay. Me, I'm not shouting. No. I'm just telling them what I will do, and I'm not bluffing.
Mama, I'm here to pack my things. I want to go to my fiance's house.
Fiongini.
I want to go to Afanaya's house.
Let me see you go to Afana's house now. No, let me see you go to
Afana's house. So what will you do if I go to Afanaya's house?
Okay.
Come on. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. You see what you have caused?
Is it okay?
Chima.
I'm not saying anything.
My chest, oh. My chest. Brother.
Mama.
Okay.
Mama.
What? Where are you going? Adana! Adana! Yeah, wait, Adana!
Please get out of my sight. You are a witch. You are sent to kill your sister.
Mama, why are you overexerting yourself? You're supposed to just relax and get well. Not stressing your life. Call me whatever you want. But one thing I will not succumb to is bowing my head before Gonaya. That will never happen.
You betrayed that man. You betrayed him. You forgot so easily.
Mama, we reconciled. He forgave me. Why is that so difficult to understand? So why would Gonaya just want to try to snatch him from me? Why?
Adanaya, get out of here before I die.
I've always known that you do not like me. In fact, we need to have a conversation if you're the one who actually gave birth to me.
Please, you have to excuse my patience.
Who is this Banla? My Ben, shut up your mouth and get out of this place. What's this one now? Is she your mother? This is my mother. You get out if you are not here to treat her.
I know she's a mother, but you're not helping matter here. Please leave.
Which condition? You're not supposed to take care of her condition.
You're making her condition worse.
Get her out. She is a mad girl.
You are shouting. You're not helping her condition. Please leave.
Leave where?
Leave before I call the security on you.
You want to call security? Yes. Please call them. Let me see if it's security that will pay your salary this month. Call them.
There are other patients in this hospital. I hope you know that.
Call security now.
Madam, please leave. I don't want to push you. Please leave in peace.
Push me.
Forget my size. I don't want to push you.
Okay. Get me out of here.
Madam, please leave.
Okay. Go and tend to my mother so she gets better and stop making noise.
Stop making noise. You're the one making noise here.
Come and get me out of here now. Am I scared? Call them. Better tend to your patient.
Please just.
It's your job to tend to her, madam. Go and tend to her.
It's my job to attend to her. But you are here causing nuisance. Please leave.
Security, sir, at the gate.
Officers, come. Right on time. Officers, come.
What the hell are you doing there? You again?
Arrest this thief. This mighty thief who stole my millions of naira claims she was robbed. Please arrest her now.
What are you talking about? Arrest her for what?
She's a thief.
My name is Officer Ada. Madam, you are under arrest.
Bam. Oh yeah.
Don't touch me.
Madam, move it. You have every right to remain silent. Whatever you do or say, you will be used against you in the court of law.
Exactly.
Move it, sir.
For what?
Alright, hold on. Where's the station?
What kind of stupid question? Officer, what are you doing?
Madam,
Your
move
job
it
now.
Don't touch me.
Please, let it refund her. Please, refund her. What? Officer, do you want me to help you drag her? On your ship. Oh! Please! Officer, don't negotiate with criminals. Don't negotiate with criminals. I am a law. I practice the law. Don't negotiate with criminals. Arrest this animal.
Fight is on. This fight is bloody. Sisters are fighting. This fight is bloody. Mama is crying. There's fire on the mountain. Uncle Nama. Two elephants are fighting.
What are we going to do this morning?
Uncle Love is here.
Yes, no. These are so nonsense. What are we going to call this madness? We must end it. Yes. This is not out of hand.
What is it?
Can you imagine? I'm just coming from the hospital.
Hospital?
Yes.
What happened? You went there to do what?
Adana and Uganda fought again. They wounded the brother. Their mother collapsed.
This is serious.
Yes. Just now. So what are we going to do?
The best thing to do is to make sure that that man did not marry any of them. This is madness.
Yes.
For what?
That's the best thing. I think it's okay with that.
We will see later in the day.
Okay.
Thank you.
Dragging one another because of man. Fighting themselves because of a man.
Babe, so it's true.
What are you doing here?
Babe, I was told you had admitted in this hospital. Besides, I've been calling you online. And you're not taking your course. What happened?
He decided to come to the village and visit me with this condition.
Babe, it's not far now.
It's
not far. And besides, I was worried. My heart almost burst out of my chest. What really happened? Who fought you?
It's my sister, oh, my sisters.
Your sisters?
Yes.
How? Wait.
They want to kill me. Like as if I'm carrying the whole world on my head. My head is aching heavily.
Wait a minute. Are you telling me that it's your sister that put you in this condition? Why?
Ma'am, if she pays me my money, then I'll stop troubling her.
I did not steal your money. Yeah. It was my fiancé that opened that shop for you.
It is thunder. Thunder from the northwest, east and south that will fire you and that your stupid fiancé. Thunder will fire you both. Enough. Stop it immediately. If he or she pays you your money, will you sign an undertaking not to cause any more nuisance in the public, not to disturb either he or her? DPO, this is not what we agreed upon. I did not agree anything with you, my friend. Are you going to sign the undertaking or not? DPO, this is my man, my own. Well, he says he doesn't want to marry you. Do you want to force a man into marriage? Then he will not marry this my useless sister sitting here.
Excuse me, ma'am. You cannot force me to marry you. Alright? I'm going to marry your useless sister. She's useful to me.
I'll pay you 5 million naira and you get the hell out of my life.
Never. In fact, I don't want it. All I want is for him to leave my sister, this prostitute, and that's fine.
You're the one that is a prostitute.
Me?
You're mad.
Me? Hey! Stop it, you prostitute! Not in my office. Who are you?
Pretty, hey, how are you?
I have a boyfriend. Thank you.
Pretty, I am Eric. You can call me Eric Money. What about you?
I have no name. Thank you.
Please talk to me. Hello? Please.
Ah, what is this now? You want to kidnap me? I just told you I have a boyfriend. What more do you want? No, thank you.
I know you have a provision store. I know you. I've been buying some beverages in your provision store. I know your sister. I also know your friend too.
So?
Please, what is your name? Tell me your name, please.
Adana.
Adana, please. Where are you going to?
Tonicha to buy goods for my shop. I need to stock up.
Okay. Can I take you for free? I don't like the way you are trekking, please.
I'm close to the junction. I can get a bike there.
Please, let me take you. I won't harm you, please.
I'm very close to the junction. There's a bike and there are bikes at the junction. Oh, guy said no. What kind of problem is this one? How can someone be standing here for over 10 minutes? No bike, not even a keke. What's happening? This is crazy.
Today is environmental. Don't you remember?
Oh my God, yes, I completely forgot. What am I going to do? Oh.
You see? Now I can take you to the market for free. Else you have 2 hours to stand here.
Shows that I didn't recall.
You know what?
How can today be environmental now?
You forgot. It's not my fault. I'm going towards your way. I can drop you off. Please.
It's just for today and it's just because I forgot. Thank you.
I won't harm you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. How much?
2,000.
Take. Easy. Come on. Ada? Adana? What's up?
I know.
I'm going.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's why I'm telling that you came.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hit the road now, let him pass. Drive safely, oh.
Thank you.
So I don't like that.
Hope you collected my money. If you like, don't like him. Make sure you always collect my money. I don't know if I open business for people that I like. Please come and rearrange bread and put there. The bread you brought, come and put some here. 10,000. Where do you want me to get it from now? Ha! I don't have 10,000 naira. Are you a witch? Are you a witch? Amusu, did you come to this shop to see that I've sold anything today? Come and check out my goods. The same way I bought them, they are standing here. I've not sold anything and stop asking me for money. Even 2 naira I don't have to give you. Please, leave me alone. What kind of monitoring spirit is this one? Yeah? Take. This is 300,000 naira. Take it to the bank. When you get to Zenith Bank, deposit 200,000 naira there. Take the remaining 100,000 to Wema Bank and make sure you put it. Ogona, I don't want to look for you. I need to go visit my friend, so I want you to come back very fast. Do you understand me? You can go.
Sister Eric.
Brother.
Brother Fanaya asked you for ordinary 10,000 naira. And you said that you don't have the time with you. Sister, you are gradually detesting your man for no reason. It is unfair, sister.
Have you gone mad? Is there anything wrong with you? Are you monitoring me in my own shop? Did you make the money for me? So they've sent you to monitor me? No, Afana sent you to monitor me, right? Ugonaya, since when now?
Sister.
Brother, what is it?
This is your 5 years in relationship.
Accurate timekeeper.
So you want to trade your relationship because of Eric?
Ugonaya.
Sister, it's not good now.
Before I close my eye and I open it, disappear from here right now.
Sister, it's not...
I said disappear from here! Yeah. This girl has started growing old. Since when did this nonsense start, sir? I think I'm going to give her too much more. I need to cut off her allowance.
Sister.
Tell him I'm sleeping. Can you not say I'm sleeping?
Someone will not sleep at night. She will be busy making phone calls. And if she comes to the shop, she will be sleeping.
You are stupid.
Hello, Brother Fana. Yeah, he's gone now. Yeah, my sister, she's sleeping. Can you call her back later? Okay.
Better for you. Do and go to the bank.
Sister.
Oh, I thought you told him that I was sleeping.
Sister, is Eric.
Hey! Give me the phone. Give me.
I thought you said you are sleeping.
You're stupid. Hello? Bad boy. How was your night? Fine, no. It was my sister that was with the phone. Are you not going to work? You want me to come over? I'll be there maybe in an hour. Would you like me to bring anything for you when I'm coming? Oh, that's fine. I'll just pass through the pharmacy and I'll get you the medication. It's okay. Take care. See you soon. Bye.
Sister, are you aware that Brother Fanaya have been sick since 4 days?
So? Am I a medical doctor? Are you seeing me with lab coat? Ugonaya. Go and bring my bag so that you can go to the bank. Be fast.
Sister, you will regret this.
Come on, go and get my bag so you go to the bank. What kind of nonsense is this one? Where is the bag?
I'm coming.
What is it? Tell me what happened.
The truth is, I've fallen out of love with Afanna.
Jesus. What? I told you. Eh? You see, okay, tell me, what happened? What happened?
He was on top of me, and I was moaning Eric's name.
Adana, you've killed a man. I even told him that I'm having an affair with Eric. Why?
I know. The truth is, I know I didn't do the right thing, but I know I hurt him deeply. But the fact is, I just couldn't deny it. It was too obvious.
Honestly, this is so unfair. You should have denied it now.
How was I going to deny it? It was too obvious. Yeah, I just feel really terrible. I feel so bad that I did that.
So what are you going to do now?
I've been begging him since. What? Afana knows I'm lying.
Hey.
He knows. One lot to do.
This is serious. So tell me, how many times did you do it with Eric?
I saw him last night, and that makes it 7 times.
7?
It's not my fault now. The truth was all over me. What do you want me to do? I was supposed to be singing praise and worship.
So, what are you going to do now? Tell me.
I don't know. I really don't know. Eric, what's going on? I don't understand you. Why are you telling me not to come over? Since when? This is strange, oh. Wait. Don't tell me you have another woman in there. Because if I catch her, you know me. Are you cheating on me? Okay, because you've just been behaving really strange these days. That's why I'm saying it. Travel where? But then you've been saying that every time you are traveling, where are you going to again now? Is that not what you said last week? Wait, I'll call you back. Hold on.
I'll give you one.
Go on, Naya, what happened?
That money won't just.
Hey, wait first, where is my money? I'm asking you a question, where is my money?
One chance. They collected it from me.
Did they touch you?
Uguna, where is my money?
One chance.
What do you mean one chance? Why did they not one chance you? Hey! My money!
How much is it? 4 million. But they did not touch you. They don't touch you.
But they beat me.
Uguna, where is my money?
One chance, people.
Chimo! Hey! Uguna, where is my money?
Adana, it's okay.
Hey! I am finished, I am finished, Mama, what do you mean I'm not finished? Mama, what do you mean it's okay? Hey! Eric, you are in this town?
Who's she?
Adana, how are you? Right?
Adana,
meet my beautiful wife, Mary. Mary, meet Adana, my guy's girlfriend. Mary, remember that village I went to that time? It's their town. Ada, what brought you to Port Harcourt? Long time.
What? No, this is not true.
You mean you're married?
Yes, I am.
A year and 3 months now. Do you have any problem with that?
I'm sorry that I didn't tell you, please. I thought I told you. I'm sorry. Ada, how are you doing? It's been a long time. How is your market now? How is your business? Let's go.
You expect her to answer that?
Wait. This bastard is married. He's not even putting on wedding ring. Hey! Ada. Huh. Sorry, let me just go. Men. Hey!
Adanaya, stop crying. God will provide another one. God will give you another one.
Mama, please don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that, Mama. In this economy, do you know what 4.7 million naira is?
If they kill your sister, what have you
They would have killed her instead, Mama. And what do you want me to do? Father is not picking my call. I don't even have money to stock up my shop. He traveled without telling me what you want me to do.
Sister, God will provide.
Will you shut up your mouth there? Will you shut up your mouth there?
You've been crying since. It's okay.
Sister, wait. Are you crying because of Eric? Because you went to Port Harcourt with your friend and bumped into Eric and his pregnant wife.
What are you saying?
Ask your daughter now. That's why she's crying. You trade your relationship because of married man.
Gondaya.
Never see anything.
Who told you that?
Adak.
Love is weaker. I am in sorrow. I am in pain. Love is weaker.
This whole thing is just it's just very funny. But as for me, I would advise you don't marry any of those girls. Let them be. For the sake of your sanity, my brother. Eh?
So you're asking me to run away from the love of my life just because of our sister's madness? Who does that, bro? That's not possible, man. You were there. You saw all the shit she did to me, man. She was cheating on me all the time. She did me dirty. Bro, she was calling me names while we were in bed. She called me Eric. I mean, who the hell is Eric? Let's assume I came back broke and battered. Will she be doing all of this shit? No, she won't. Believe me, man.
Why are they tell you?
No, listen, hold on. I don't care what anyone says. She's going to stay there until she signs the agreement. Yes. She's going to sign the deal. If not, she's going to be in cell.
Oh. Hey. Bro, you meant to tell me say she no agree sign the undertaking. You see where we dey important. You know say I be graduate like you. But you know why we dey run that Asaba Onitsha? You know. Now this kind thing. You get wetin we go do am. That place where she dey, the way she go take sign now. Man no talk. But left from you, I go to make you think am. Think am.
I've got nothing to think about, bro. No one is going to stop me from marrying the love of my life.
Man, everything go stop you. Everything go stop you. Everything go stop you. Think about their mama. Oh. Think about their mama. That woman has been sick. I mean, critically sick for so many years because of this thing where they happen. Let from you, I go so make you just let them be. Leave them. You fine now. You go school. You sabi book. You go get money. Ocean there. Many fishes there for you to catch. Leave these ones. For the sake of your sanity too. Eh?
Like I said, bro, nothing is going to stop me. Not even the sound of end time will stop me.
Mama, you to stop. Stubbornness, Shao. You don't need it. Don't go make money with your stubbornness. I still believe in you, Shao.
Please, don't tell my friend that rubbish. You see, at this point, we are ready for war. That is if Adana wants it that way. Because Ugonaya is going to marry Afan. And nobody is going to do anything about it.
Amara, what is your problem? Am I talking to you? Can't you see they're not making any peace? What is your problem? Are you okay?
Tell your friend to stay away. When she was moving up and down with that married man, so she didn't know a day like this was going to come. Well, as for me, Shebi is ready. Because nobody is going to tell my friend who she's going to marry.
Ugonaya, Amara, this marriage is not going to work.
It is your own marriage that will not work. In fact, I rebuke you. I rebuke you in the mighty name of Jesus. It is your own marriage that will not work.
Amara, how
my
dare
baby
you?
is ready, yo. This marriage, it's like you don't even know the people we invited. This marriage, Bobrisky, they come. It's not a joking matter. James Brown, everybody, men or women, we are ready. Like women, they, men, they.
How dare you talk to
Shut
me like
up!
that? Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Are you insane?
I'm okay.
Oh my God,
Why would they say my friend's marriage will not work?
Amara, what is wrong with you?
I beg you.
No, seriously, what is wrong with you? Please, I can see you are very, very jealous.
I beg, jealous?
Yes, you're jealous
No,
of
you're
your
the one
friend.
that is jealous.
You are jealous of her.
I am not jealous
Just
of
say
her.
the
How?
truth.
How can I be jealous of my own friend?
Tell yourself the truth.
Please,
You
it is you
are.
that's not...
I want you to say the truth. You are jealous. Amara, you are jealous. You are very, very jealous. You are jealous of her. Why can't you say it? I'm very true.
Young lady, take the pen and sign the undertaking, or are you not ready to sign?
I will not sign anything.
You will not sign the undertaking. You're forcing yourself on a man to marry you. Do you know you're going to cage yourself, even in the marriage? Sign the undertaking, take your money and be free. Sign it.
I'm ready to go back to the cell now.
You choose to remain in the cell than your freedom. The worst cell is even the marriage you're planning to go into. Marrying a man that does not want you. Dictative Ada. Ma, back to the cell. Move it!
Fight is on.
Move!
Somebody please separate them. Endless fight.
What kind of human is this?
This fight is bloody. Sisters are fight. This fight is bloody. Mama is crying.
Hello, Mr. Afana. She has refused to sign the undertaking. I spoke with her at length, but all she says is no, I will not sign it.
I know she's very stubborn. But don't worry, man. She's going to bend. Alright? She's going to bend. If she doesn't sign that thing, she's going to stay there for the rest of the time, man.
Okay.
Alright. Take care.
If you want fire, I go give you fire. Radio. This is two fighters, two sisters with heart of stone. Obifapo Okute, dragging one another because of man, fighting themselves because of a man. Mama begging the girl.
Young man, you must too. You must. What do you mean? You don't marry any of them. Yes, we are not going to give you any of them to marry. This is madness.
Raising your voice at me will not prove any point. I'm a grown-ass man. I know exactly what I want. Alright?
There is fire. There is crisis. How do you expect to marry from this family? And even sleeping with two sisters is a crime.
Point of correction. I never slept with both sisters. As a matter of fact, I've never slept with any one of them. We had a mutual relationship. But at the end of the day, she cheated on me. Alright? Humiliated me in so many ways. I've scored her with my money, opened up a shop, and then she changed. She stole my dreams away from me because that was the money I was supposed to use to travel to the States. But unfortunately, she used it to open up a shop. Her sister, on the other hand, helped me out. She saw the light in me and kept the fire burning. How did she do this? She helped me with the funds I used to travel to the States. How do you expect me to leave a woman like that? Come on. I'm going to marry her. Whether the devil likes it or not, I will end up with her. Simple. I'm only trying to follow due process, which is tradition. Because left to me, I just pick her up and fly back to the States. You feel me?
Please, continue to respect tradition. Bride price is very important.
Fiakwa, you cannot run away with our daughter. A mother and her son are battling their life in the hospital, all because of this matter. Right now, I don't know where Adana is.
Adana is fine. I'm taking good care of her. You have nothing to worry about.
Fight is on. I'll go on there. Somebody please say president. And let's fight. One and a one. This fight is bloody. Sisters are fighting. This fight is bloody. Mama is crying. There is fire on the mountain. Two elephants are fighting. The love is here. If you want it, you want pussy. If you want it, no so you don't be no so. Can't see your go. And let's fight. Now my man be this. Oh, we have gone far.
Okay, good Jen. Go another one. And I am winning already. Five. I need circle.
I need triangle.
Warning card.
Pick 2.
Ah, madam, don't play me Ojoro. Don't play me Ojoro here.
Stop this thing, I don't need
Don't
this
play
thing.
me Ojoro
See,
here.
if you don't want to play this thing, tell me, let me take it inside.
What's your problem? You two the verse, calm down. Hey babe, that reminds me. What about your sister's boyfriend? I haven't been seeing him for days now. Or did he travel?
That is true. Hey, that is true. I don't know. Hey,
wait.
Afana, right?
Yes. Did he travel?
I don't know.
Well, me, I'm just asking you, nothing.
I said I don't know. What is your problem now?
No vex, sorry. Queen, play. Go with the hyper.
I said I don't know where he is. You're asking me.
It's okay now.
This is strange. He would have come out and tell us. Let me go to his house and check. Right? Yes. Oga Fana. Oga Fana. Is anyone home? Oga Fana. What happened? Oga Fana, are you okay? Are you sick?
Malaria, I want to finish meal. Malaria.
Your temperature is very high. Let me go and get you medicine.
Oh, okay.
I'm coming. Chinechine, please, can you help me and stay here?
Hope all is well.
My sister's boyfriend is not feeling fine, please.
I
need to attend to him, please.
Where is your sister? I don't want your sister to come here and start shouting at
She
you.
will not do
know how
anything.
she used to behave.
She will not do anything, please. Help me and stay here. Please.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. Just wait. I'm coming. Oh. I want malaria clothes. Yes,
welcome. Do you like it? Try and eat so you can take your medicine.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. I've called Mamoka. She will soon be here. She's on her way.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. What about your friend Ozo?
His number is not going. I don't know where he is.
Okay. You'll be fine. Mamoka, she's coming.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So take care of yourself, eh?
You too.
Bye-bye. Go, bad boy.
I'll
Just
talk
go.
to you on phone.
Just go. We'll talk. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Drive carefully.
Sister, welcome.
Did anybody come to look for me?
No, except your friend Ada.
Okay. See, all my body is paining me. What I need now is a full body massage. All my bones are weak.
Hey, sister, are you aware that Brother Fanaya have been sick?
I spoke to him on the phone now. He did not tell me anything.
Sister, don't even go there. Don't piss me off.
As
what
what
you say you don't know that he's sick? When are you going to see him?
So you want to beat me if I don't go, Abi? You want to beat me if I don't go, right? As my mother or as what exactly?
Sister, I don't want to beat you. I'm just telling you the fact.
So why are you commanding me? Anyway, I'll go and see him later. Can I enter my own shop and rest? Putanuzo! What are you doing standing there? Come and clean inside for me.
Mama, good evening. Is my sister back? Okay. Mama, my friend Ama, she's not feeling fine. Yeah, I need to take care of her. You can still call her on phone if you want. Mom, I'm saying the truth. Yes, I will come back very early in the morning. Okay, Mama.
Ugonna, it's like you lack manners. I know you don't like me.
See me see problem, oh. See me see problem. I told you that my sister is not around. Eh? Why are you disturbing my peace? You can call her on the phone. Ha! Please, don't disturb my peace this morning.
I was considering looking for a good job for you. But it seems to me that you lack manners. You don't have respect for your elder.
Okay, don't shout at me, Biko. Can't call manners. What is your problem? Did I tell you I'm looking for a job? Did I beg you for your job? Eberima, did I beg you for your job? Please don't add to my anger this morning. No. If not for one thing, I would have said thunder fire you.
Jesus. Me?
Yes.
It's alright. No problem.
Oga, shift, I beg. Look at this cook. You are looking for my sister. I want you to my sister. Don't try it next time, oh. Nonsense. Let call the Eberima. You are looking for my sister. Don't come back here again.
How dare you? How dare you talk to my friend in such a manner? Are you mad?
I don't understand.
What did you say to Eric this morning at the shop?
And what did he say that I said to him?
You're very stupid for asking me that question. Let this be the last time that you will ever speak to my friend in such a manner. Are you listening to me? Do you understand me?
Can you stop shouting at me?
Me shouting?
I am not a baby. Can you stop this?
Oh, now you have grown breasts. You are no more a baby. Ugondaya.
What? Why this noise now?
Mama, warn your daughter. Let this be the last time she will ever disrespect any of my friends. Else, I will ban her from coming to my shop.
Hey.
Let me see how she'll get money to get her toiletries.
Can you ban me today? Today, because I don't want to go back to that shop. I don't understand.
Disrespect any of my friend next time and see. Come. Mama, one how?
Come. Which friend are you talking about? Which friend that is puffing up your brain, that is making you mad? What about Afana? Where is he?
Come and take him from my yash.
Adanaya? Huh?
Mama,
Ugonaya.
Mama, please, can you just stop?
Baby, what are you saying? When are you coming back? Okay, I've heard you. I love you, baby. I can't wait to see you. Okay, my love. I love you.
Hey! Ugonaya, what is this? Ever since you started... No, good night. Good night. Ever since you started talking to this stupid boy on the phone, you are always on the phone. You no longer concentrate. You don't focus on anything. You are talking inside the house, outside the house, inside the forest, inside the toilet. Ugonaya. Is this what I'm sending you to school for? See, let me warn you. I don't want to hear that my money wasted one bit. You saw this struggle that I'm struggling for you. Mama, come and see your daughter. Mama, come and see your daughter.
Again, what is
Mama,
it?
she was on the phone making a call to God knows whom. But that's not even the problem, Mama. Your daughter has refused to go and open the shop for me. So now I have to beg her to go and open my shop, Abi.
But you banned me from going to your shop. You said I'm insulting your customers.
Will you stand up there and open shop? Stand up there and open shop.
See, nobody should force me. Nobody should force me to go to that shop.
Hey! Mama, can you hear her?
You have grown so big.
Exactly. Mama, she now has breasts. She has small nyash that she got from Onchanja market. Now me and she were mates now. So she started talking to this boy on the phone. I said you stand up there. And you are still sitting there. Mama is standing.
Stand up, gone. Are you not hearing me?
Mama, even look at the kind of down she's wearing. No, come and wear pants and sit down and be making call. Mama, look at the kind of person you are raising. You are spoiling this girl, oh. See the girl. Mama, all this money that I'm spending. All this money that I'm spending for this girl's education. Don't tell me that all this suffering will go to waste, oh.
It will not.
Hey, Mama.
It will not.
Okay. Ha. See me see wahala, Chima.
Yes.
Why are you asking me about Afana? It's been a while I've set my eyes on him. This is someone who has ghosted me. How am I supposed to know where he is?
Look, I'm only asking you because we know both of you were lovers.
So?
You are lovers. He's the one that opened the shop for you, right?
Hey!
And he will always come around. Eh?
I don't understand all these stupid questions that you are asking.
If you have any issue with him, kindly let us know. Tell us.
What kind of problem is this one now? How can you be asking me about Afana? Am I hiding him somewhere? Do you know how long this is that I've not spoken to him? Why are you asking about him now? Somebody that ghosted me in this village. You are stop talking to me. How am I supposed to know his whereabouts?
Why do I feel like someone hurt someone? Afana, we all know cannot just ghost you just like that.
Just like that.
Mama, wait. Is that why your son Chima left the Okrika I was selling about to come here? I thought you told us that he got a girl pregnant. That's the reason he's at home.
Adanaya, where is Afana? Leave that one for now.
Mama, read my lips, so. Am I wearing a balloon gown that I'm hiding Afana inside? Why are you asking me his whereabouts now? I don't know where he is. Please.
Biko, let me go and cook night food.
And you don't know where Afana is, right?
I don't know, sir.
These questions are... How can you be asking after a grown man now? What is this? Ugonaya say you want to cook. Go and cook. Please. Tell us about the woman you got pregnant. Let's start.
It's none of your business.
It is my business, so because you went there to make money. You went there to make money. Mama, instead of you to say what's on guy, you're talking on that.
At least I'm still having something that I brought home for you.
What did you bring?
My son?
What did you bring? Pregnant woman.
Adaku, I really did Afana wrong. I wish I could just see him and ask for forgiveness.
You mean up till now, Uza have not told you his whereabouts?
That one. I've not seen him in a very long time. I don't know. I know Afana loves me so much. I don't know why he would do this to me. How would he just disappear?
But you messed up. Afana is a very cute, handsome person. I warned you about Eric. I warned you. That guy is a very bad gold digger. A very bad one.
Please, don't even remind me about all those ugly experiences. I don't know how I managed to fall into his hands. Yes, he was nice, he was kind. He gave me so much money, even supported my business. But the thing is, bad energy. But I messed up. That's in the past right now. I truly miss Afana. He's the love of my life that I took for granted.
Sister, what about Emeka? I thought you guys are dating.
That mad idiot. Ha! Fiako. That guy, all he wanted from me was sex and money. Sex and money. He wanted to wreck my business. He wanted to finish everything and leave me with nothing. Ha! God forbid bad thing.
I don't know, you've dated 3 men ever since Eric broke your heart.
And the 3 men wanted nothing serious with me. They were not serious. All they wanted was... In fact, the 3 of them are useless. One was a womanizer, an abuser, a woman... Like, name it. The other one was a liar. He was always cheating. But the 3rd one, don't get me started on that one. Stupid idiots, the 3 of them. Hey. The only thing I want to do now is to just remain on my own and pray to God that one day I will see the love of my life, Afana. I know he's out there also thinking of me. Amen. But the thing is, he just wants to make it big, then come for me.
Amen. But what of if he's married?
Why will he be married now? I am his wife. He cannot be married. Yes, I am the only one that is destined for him. Yes.
Amen.
He wants to make it, then come and, see me.
I believe you. Amen.
That's why your phone is ringing every 2 seconds. This your boyfriend. Don't steal my money and give to him, oh. Trust when I tell you that men will stain your white. You can see me now.
See us, see us.
Hello, baby.
You are back. At the airport. Babe, wait, I'm coming there now. You will see me there now. I want to see you. Okay, I'm coming. Hey, sister, my boyfriend is back. He's back.
Come back here. Where do you think you're going? Uganda! Uganda, yeah! Uganda, yeah! Are you
I'm arranging myself. I want to take taxi to the airport. You are there? Baby, I cannot wait to see you. I really cannot wait. I love you. You will see me there right away. Okay. Shit. Oh my God. Can't wait to see my baby.
So, the girl you impregnated, when are we going to see her parents? I heard she is almost due for delivery.
Mama, that is why...
I'm coming.
Where are you heading to?
Mama, I say I'm coming.
Let her go. Let her go. If not for the important thing I have at hand, I would have stopped her. At least know where she's heading to. But that's by the way. Mama, there's something very important I want to tell you.
What is it?
I don't know if you can help me with some amount of money. At least let's go and pay her bride price. My name is
So?
As an expecting grandma.
Oyilo pasiankata chukwu abagalia Obulo kosi digi nobi Wandem kosi di onyaza Kimanga kimakwano nkaza Ropita pepo okwefi nalo Mani lefuzia
You are welcome to my home.
buru wadibia Ikonya chimaye
Of course it's mine. I bought it while I was still in America.
It's
you like it?
beautiful. Yes. I love it.
Wait until we go inside. Huh? I'm glad you love it. Come, let me show you. Alright?
I'm home now, baby. Yes, you know I left everything because I know it is the best place to be. And it is our house. Babe. Babe, I love the ring. It's so fine. I can't wait to be by your side. You're my husband. And I love you too. Baby, thank you for making me yours. And as for what you said, we are going to fight through it. Do you hear me? I love you, baby. Good night, baby. I love you too. So fine.
Fight is on. I'll go on there. Somebody please separate them and let's fight. One and a one. This fight is bloody. Sisters are fighting. This fight is bloody. Mama is crying. There is fire on the mountain. Two elephants are fighting. The love is here. If you want it, what is here? If you want it, no. If you want it, no. So can't see you. And let's fight. Now my man did this. Oh. We have gone far.
Silence, let's go. Silence, let's go.
Sign it and give yourself the best gift ever. Freedom is the best gift you can give yourself. Freedom is the best gift you can give to yourself, so sign it. Have a good day.
Hello? Yeah, I'm just coming from the DPO's office. She finally signed your undertaking, babe.
Wow! Finally! She signed the papers. Babe, I'm so happy. Babe, I'm waiting for you. No need for that, I will cook for you.
Anything. Don't worry, I'll see you soon. Okay? Bye, babe.
She signed the papers. I thought she would not sign the papers. I told her she would be crying out.
What's going on here? Why are you covering Mama? We just finished talking. And she asked me to go and get something for her. And you're covering her. What's going on? I'm talking to you now. Why are you covering her?
Madam, I'm sorry. She could not make it.
Who could not make it?
Your mother is dead.
It's like you're not getting me. I said she asked me to go and get her something.
Exactly. She couldn't make it. She's dead.
You are joking. Mama?
Mother, please be careful.
Mama! Mama, I'm here now. You said I should go and get something for you. Look at me here. Mama! Mama!
She's dead.
What kind of place this now, Mama? Mama!
Mom,
wait now! Are you?
Your condition,
Stop.
you are pregnant.
Stop!
You are
Mama!
pregnant. Madam, please, calm down, calm down.
Ah,
Hold her.
Mama
Madam,
cannot
please
be
be careful.
Stop! Mama cannot be dead. Stop! Mama, wake up! Mama, I'm
Madam,
back.
please calm down.
Look at what he said I should go and get for you. It's inside my bag. Get up! Get up!
Madam,
get
no
up!
amount of pride can
Get
bring
up
down your
now,
peace.
Mama!
Please
Wait,
stop
please.
doing this. You
Mama
want
cannot
me
be
to
dead.
please. Your mother is dead.
Stop! Mama cannot be dead. Mama,
Hold
wake
her,
up.
please, hold her.
Mama, wake up now. What kind of thing? Oh, stop now.
Your
Mama,
mother
wake
is
up,
dead.
Mama.
Madam, please.
Mama, wake
Please.
up.
Mom, you have to
Mama,
leave.
no.
Please take her.
My love. My love.
Mama! No!
What is it? What is it?
Why was my mother waving goodbye to me? For what? Huh? Okay.
My tummy!
What? What is it? What? Doctor! Doctor! Nurse! Nurse! You people have killed Mama.
But I'll call you back.
I'm talking though. Just drop that phone now and just listen to me. You've successfully killed Mama, right? Thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate. Thank you very much. Now you can go ahead and eat her cups. I dare you. Let me see you in this house. Let me see that bastard, that idiot in this house. And now Chima will behead that person.
Shy, Nede, you guys knew she was sick.
No! Mama was never sick. They gave her sickness. They made her to fall sick. Now I dare you. It's either you wear her corpse or you bury her with your money. Let me see how Mama will not be given a befitting burial. I'm talking to you. Another.
At this point, you guys are supposed to make peace. Yes, this is the time to reconcile.
Uncle, I don't care.
Your late mother will be happy to hear this. Yes.
I don't care if they do or not. I don't care. They make peace or not. Now you've calmed down. You guys have calmed down. I'm only giving you the last word. Just you both will pay 5 million naira for this burial. Let me see how Mama will not be given a befitting burial.
For what now? Maka, why is it? I'm heartbroken that Mama is dead. It's painful, but we need to make peace.
Shut! God punish you! God punish you! May my God punish you with that peace!
Calm down. Okay. We need peace, please. Calm down.
You want to reason? Go to the other side and do that.
It's okay, calm down.
I love you.
Calm down.
Huh?
Sit down. We need peace, please.
Adana, how far?
Calm down.
So you could be this calm. You've lost your tongue, right? You've successfully killed your mother. Your own mother.
It's okay.
And made this house an orphan. Congratulate yourself, for you have finally killed your own mother. Prepare yourself for the burial. The time has come. Else, get prepared. The war has begun.
It's okay.
I did not kill my mother.
Adana, your constant fights. You and your sister contributed negatively in your mother's health. You were too focused on finding what you've lost a very long time ago. Honestly, you would have moved on and you will find love because you are very beautiful. You are intelligent. You are hardworking. I don't know why it took you so long for you to move on.
Well, I'm trapped. It doesn't mean I moved on.
Adana, your sister's wedding is coming. And you signed undertaking, remember? You've forgiven her, right?
Adako, I'll be traveling. I'll need you to help look after my shop.
Adana, you're not going to witness your sister's wedding.
Mama, you left your grandchild. Who was my child, grandma? Mama.
Eh? Eat your food, Jerry.
You brought food?
Yes.
don't understand.
Your favorite.
As if you know I love this is iron and protein. You're a mother.
Of course.
Hmm.
Do you like it?
I love it.
Concerning what you told me last night, I have some savings. I'll give you 100,000 naira.
Mama? You mean 100,000 naira in this house?
Yes.
Hey!
Hey!
Mama, who said there is no mother? Who said there is no mother? My mother has accepted to give me money to start up a business.
Stop shouting now. Okay. Do you want the whole world to know that I give you 100,000 naira to start up a business?
Sorry, my mother has accepted to give me money for business.
Chai, Mama, you've chosen to cover my shame.
Yes.
Hey!
Son,
Nemo, Chai, any problem that will happen to you, any hard thing that will come to you, let it come to me.
No. It will not come to you.
I will just it.
It's not come to you.
I will trap it and shoot it back to them. Mommy,
it's your food.
Let me feed you. You took time to prepare this food for me. Let him catch my enemy. Mama,
Mama is okay now.
Let her be, Jerry.
Mama is okay. If it's me now, you not love me like Mama is okay. If I'm the one traveling now, you not even look at my face. Leave me alone, let him go. What's that?
I'll call you, okay?
Don't forget to call me when you get to Papa.
Yes, ma. I will call you. Don't worry. Let me get there first.
Which one be say, let me get there first? No, you know, find us not to know bust your head for you now. Which one be the one now?
You want Mama to kill you?
You've joined court.
Ha!
Your blood is always hot. Remember, I'm your senior.
Senior fire. Only one year used to see someone, not let me hear what. I bet guy friends front.
You did that easy. You say that easy for first week come out.
See your face, you too like food. Mama, you sweating with food.
Mama, let me go.
You follow him to back to me to keep us.
Leave my brother for me. He's a spec.
Who's spec? He's a spec. Any girl when follow this one go suffer.
See me in the market.
I think Mama, we are coming just walking. Let's go. Where is this one coming from? You are praising them.
My husband brother.
You are praising.
Thank you, my dear.
My husband brother.
He's going there to make you impregnate any care.
No, money first. No, I don't.
What are you saying?
I don't have time for girls now.
Don't listen to Mama. Go and make money.
Thank you.
Chima, what are you doing? Have you seen us calling this money? Give that back. Give her the money.
Let me go.
Oh yeah, come here.
Give her now.
I said you. Chima, no, you are spoiling it. Yeah, carry it back. Chima, let's go. Zip the bag. Then you go to your get around that.
Mama! 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 Who are my children calling? Mama! Who that child calling? Mama, who that child calling? Mama left us. Mama left. Mama! Mama, no! Mama! Mama, this wasn't a plan!
I gave you my
This wasn't what you planned!
I gave you everything. You betrayed me. You betrayed me. I will remember again. I am in sorrow. I am in pain. I'm wandering around. I am in sorrow. I am in pain. Like nobody. I am in sorrow. Wandering around. so love, I am in pain. Love, I am in sorrow, I am in
Finally! Yeah! We're home. We're here. We did it. My God. Hey!
What are you doing?
Hey! What the hell are you doing? That's a gun!
Oh, I'm glad you went to school and you know what a gun is. I told you. I never forgive. We but lost.
Hey, we can talk about this. We can all sort this out calmly.
Do not come close to me. Stay there.
Can you drop
6 good years. I lost my womb. Do you remember the last abortion I did for you? Yes, that one. They took out my womb for me to survive. And you think I will sit by and watch you marry this nitwit?
I begged you. Remember, I begged you not to go through that process. I always tried to stop you, but then you went ahead with the abortion. I don't know what happened. You didn't tell me about this, but I believe in worship of forgiving God. The God of miracle. He's going to replace your womb.
Well, my darlings, I do not believe in miracles because I make my own miracles.
You just shot your sister. What have you done? You just shot... Babe! Ah! My God. My God.
Fight is on. I'll go one day. Somebody please separate them and let's fight. One day. This fight is bloody. Sisters are fighting. This fight is bloody. Mama is crying. There is fire on the mountain. Two elephants are fighting. If you want that's all you do, baby. So and let's fight. Now my man be this. Oh, we have gone far. I can't let him go now. Where pussy begin? No go. If you want war, I go give you war. If you want fight, I go give you fight. Radio. This is two fighters, two sisters with heart of stone. Obifa Bokute,